Hello everyone, today I'll be discussing collision repair costs. As repair costs continue to soar, GDM has taken numerous steps to help offset these rising costs. GDM has partnered with strong industry providers that manage repair shop networks across the U.S. These shops all have to go through and maintain rigorous quality and technical standards of collision repair. They also provide a lifetime guarantee on repairs. By partnering with these repair shop networks, GDM is able to take advantage of prevailing local market labor rates, thus avoiding higher rates that GDM would have otherwise been charged based on a per-job basis. GDM will use quality alternative parts versus original equipment manufacturer, otherwise known as OEM parts, whenever possible during the repair process, with the exception of certain safety parts such as airbags and seatbelts. This generates a significant cost savings in parts pricing. Alternative parts consist mainly of aftermarket parts, which are new parts produced by manufacturers other than the OEMs, and like-kind in quality or salvage parts. GDM partners with industry-leading parts provider, LKQ Corporation, to provide most of the alternative parts. LKQ's aftermarket parts have lifetime warranties, whereas OEM parts are often just 3-year or 36,000 miles. GDM only uses aftermarket parts that maintain high quality and safety standards and are certified by industry trade associations. In fact, some of LKQ's aftermarket parts are manufactured by the same companies that produce the OEM parts, just without the OEM logo. LKQ's salvage parts are reconditioned from vehicles that are the same model year or newer and have the same mileage or less than the member's vehicle. LKQ's salvage sheet metal, such as hoods and fenders, have a lifetime warranty against rust. Let's take a moment to review an example of the savings GDM was able to accomplish with one salvage part on an eligible event. The part was a left quarter panel on a 2021 BMW X5. The salvage part price was $769. The OEM part price was $2,936. By using the alternative quarter panel, GDM saved at $2,167. GDM also has a staff of skilled and tenured mutuality advisors that oversee the entire repair process, ensuring that labor rates and parts savings are optimized. They maintain constant communication with members and shop partners during the repair process and make sure the repairs remain on track. This leads to optimal cycle time for the repair, which can also reduce costs such as transportation expenses. In closing, GDM provides affordable, quality repairs with lifetime guarantees through our repair shop networks and alternative parts providers, all the while being managed by our highly skilled mutuality advisors. Please feel free to share your thoughts on this, and as always, thank you for being a part of GDM's mutual aid community.